Stand out from the stack. The power of professional CV templates for Zimbabwean job seekers. In the bustling job market of Zimbabwe, whether you're aiming for a role in Harare's finance sector, Bulawayo's manufacturing hubs, or the dynamic tourism industry, your CV is your golden ticket. But a plain, unformatted CV can quickly get lost in the shuffle. This is where professional CV templates become your secret weapon. Platforms like Hot Zimbabwe Jobs are flooded with applications daily. A well-designed template doesn't just look good, it communicates professionalism, organization, and a serious approach to your career. Why templates matter, especially in Zimbabwe. First impressions count. Recruiters spend mere seconds scanning a CV. A clean, structured template guides their eyes to the most important information quickly. ATS compatibility. Many larger Zimbabwean companies now use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter CVs. Generic or poorly formatted documents can be overlooked. Templates are often designed with ATS in mind, ensuring your application gets past the initial screening. Showcases attention to detail. A well-presented CV reflects well on you. It subtly tells an employer that you pay attention to detail, a highly valued trait in any industry. Saves time. Instead of agonizing over formatting, margins, and font sizes, you can focus on the content, your achievements, skills, and experience. Choosing the right template for the Zimbabwean market. Keep it professional. While creativity is good, aim for clarity and professionalism. In Zimbabwe, overly flashy or unconventional designs might be viewed less favorably than a clean, classic layout. Ensure readability. Use clear, legible fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman, and appropriate font sizes. Don't overcrowd the page. White space is your friend. Highlight key sections. A good template will clearly delineate sections like personal details, summary, objective, work experience, education, and skills, making it easy for recruiters to find information. 1 or 2 pages. For most Zimbabwean roles, a 2-page CV is acceptable, especially if you have significant experience. Graduates or those with less experience should aim for 1 page. PDF is king. Always save and send your CV as a PDF to maintain formatting and ensure it looks the same on every device. Where to find great templates? Online CV builders. Many online tools, like the aforementioned CV Wizard, Canva, or even Microsoft Word's built-in templates, offer a range of professional, ATS-friendly options. Career portals. Sometimes Hot Zimbabwe Jobs or specific company career pages might offer guidance or preferred formats. University career services. If you're a recent graduate, check if your local university's career services department offers recommended templates. Ready to elevate your job application. Don't let a poorly formatted CV be the reason you miss out on your next big opportunity. Invest a little time in choosing a professional template, and watch your applications get the attention they deserve. Hashtag Hot Zimbabwe Jobs, hashtag ZimJobs, hashtag CV Templates, hashtag Career Advice ZW, hashtag Job Search Zim, hashtag Professional CV, hashtag Zim Work, hashtag Job Tips Zimbabwe, hashtag Employ Zim.